how to subscribe Amazon Prime. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can subscribe to Amazon Prime, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to subscribe to Amazon Prime, what you have to do is you have to open up your browser and then you have to go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I repeat, amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I will also make sure to drop a direct link in the description box below. Once you go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime, if you aren't already signed into your Amazon account, make sure you do that by tapping the sign in button over there. But if you are already signed in, you'll find the start your free 30-day trial option here, which you have to make sure to tap on start trial, and you will be able to see a list of benefits that you get with the Prime subscription. Now all you have to do is from the bottom you have to select a payment method. You can also use a gift card balance when available, and you can choose to add a credit or debit card here. If you have Venmo, you can also subscribe using Venmo, or you can enter your card number, expiration date, security code, the name on your card, tap on add and continue. If your payment method is valid, you can tap the continue option from the bottom and you would have successfully bought or subscribed to Amazon Prime. This way you can subscribe Amazon Prime. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.